guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a look that is inspired by Mrunal Panchal, popularly known as Gujju Unicorn. So I thought why not go ahead and recreate it. It is a sunset and night themed makeup tutorial, and I have shared this look in my hashtag my quarantine series and you guys seem to love it a lot, so I thought why not go ahead and recreate it for you guys. And I have asked you guys which makeup tutorial to go first, so you guys recommended me to go ahead with this particular look. So here we go. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe before watching this video, and we are really close to 25k subscribers. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, that's just been said. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, so makeup look start करने से पहले I would like to give you a quick disclaimer. I'm not a makeup artist, so please don't expect much. I'm in a learning phase. So here I go. I'm making use of a Kumkumadi oil to just rejuvenate my face. So basically this will act as a base and or act as a primer, and post that I can go ahead and pat some sort of foundation on my face. So here we go. I'm making use of the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now don't worry, the shade will be linked in the description box below. I'm just dotting it all over my face, and I'm making use of this makeup brush which is by Simba Lifestyle. So again the link will be in the description box below. So this is a brand by Mridul Sharma. So yeah, next step we are going to do is make use of a concealer. Now I am making use of Wet n Wild concealer and then flushing it off all over my eyelid and on the upper portion of my forehead. And yeah, I think we guys could go ahead and do the coloring stuff now. So I'm making use of a Miss Claire eyeshadow palette, and as you guys would have seen it already, pura toota futa hai because I'm very garib. So I would request some brands to go ahead and sponsor some makeup products for me. And I'm making use of this sky blue color from the Miss Claire palette, and then just simply drawing it free-handedly. Next I'm making use of a darker blue shade, and then again I'm intensifying right from the upper portion over my forehead. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Now the next shade which I'm going to take is yellow, and I'm going to make use of the same brush and I'm going to blend it all over again and again very seamlessly. Since I didn't had a light green color, so I thought of why not blending yellow and blue, which could make a sort of a green color. So yeah, that's how I experimented. Next I'm going to make use of a Sophie X by Makeup Revolution palette and pick up the orangey shade which you guys could see right here, and then I'm going to pat it all over my face, not all over but half portion of the face. And you guys could see on the screen the way I am pulling off the brush over my face. It's very simple, so just follow the instructions whichever you guys could see on the screen. And yeah, once I'm happy with the output, I think I'm going to go ahead with a darker shade which is a red in color, and I'm going to intensify right from the corners of my cheek areas. And yeah, that's going to create sort of a gradient shade, and I think it would look good after the final output. So yeah, since we are going ahead with a sunset theme, so this is the reason why I'm doing this blending sort of thing with the orange shade. And yeah, once we are done, I'm going to go ahead and make use of a concealer to draw a sun. So again, कोई rocket science नहीं है, anyone could draw it, just थोड़ा हाथ में control रहना चाहिए. After which I'm going to make use of the same concealer, draw a cloud below the sun. Next I'm going to go ahead and draw the Chandrama, also known as moon. So now this is very tricky part because आप पेंसिल से एक बार ड्रॉ कर लो, उसके बाद उसको फिल इन कर लो, तो दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. बट यहाँ पे आपको कंसीलर लेके डायरेक्टली बनाना है सारी चीज़ें. पोस्ट विच आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ सम clouds, then some stars and then dot dot, छोटू छोटू से, जैसे हम लोग नॉर्मल जैसे सीनरी बनाते हैं ना, वैसे ही सेम थिंग. नाउ हियर आई एम मेकिंग यूज ऑफ ए वेरी वेरी थिनर ब्रश, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत माइन्यूट माइन्यूट वाली चीज़ें मैं बना रही हूँ. सो या पूरे मतलब बचपन के ड्राइंग वाली याद आ गई मुझे मेकअप करते करते, एंड आई एम लविंग इट. जैसे हम बचपन में सीनरी बनाते हैं ना, सिमिलर फीलिंग आई गॉट while recreating this makeup look. Next I'm going to go ahead with a yellow eyeshadow and fill in the sun जो हमने बनाया है. एंड या मैंने हर जगह कंसीलर क्यों यूज़ किया है एज ए बेस, बिकॉज कंसीलर के बाद यू नो आई शेडो लगाना काफ़ी ज़्यादा ईजी हो जाता है, एंड वो बहुत अच्छे से स्टे भी करता है एंड पिगमेंटेड भी लगता है. अगेन आई टुक अ वाइट शेड. नाउ वाइट शेड से मैं सारा चंद्रमा, क्लाउड सब कुछ फिल इन कर लूँगी. एंड या फिल इन करना इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील, जस्ट ड्रॉ करने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा कसरत लगने वाली है. And I'm pretty much happy with the output which I could see now partially. So yeah, it is time consuming, I do agree, but आप कर सकोगे, I am sure. Now I'm making use of a eyeliner from Lakme and drawing sort of a palm tree. कुछ नहीं, बस जैसे हम लोग नॉर्मली बचपन में जैसे हम लोग लीव्स बनाते थे ना, कि बस एक डंडी बना दिया और ऊपर नीचे से दो तीन डंडी, वैसे सिमिलर सॉर्ट ऑफ आपको ये पेड़ पौधे बनाने हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज गोइंग टू गिव अस अ वेरी गुड वाइब, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई सॉ इन मृणाल पांचाल's picture. So yeah, I think we are halfway done. Next I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. Here I'm making use of a orangey shade जो कि मैं use कर रही थी, and post that I'm going to go ahead and take a darkest red shade, and with the help of the tip of my finger I'm going to fill in. Next I'm going to go ahead and do the leftover stuff, and उसके बाद I'm going to make use of a falsies. Now this is from Nykaa's, and yeah, for the very first time I'm going to try it out, and I hope I succeed in it. And yeah, we are done. Next I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. Now this brow pencil is from Miss Claire, and I have been bragging about this particular eyebrow pencil since a very long time. I'll just love it. And yeah, next I'm going to go ahead and make use of red color to fill in the lower lash lines. And yeah, I think we are pretty much done. Next I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face, or basically the nose and cupid bows. So yeah, I'm going to make use of a highlighter from Wet n Wild. Again I'm going to fill in the inner corners. And now for the lipstick I'm going to go ahead with some neutral toned lipstick, and then again I'm going to draw the cloud because that was only remaining. And yeah, tada, the reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, although I saw little bit of hate comments on my makeup tutorial wale post, so I thought I was bit upset today when I woke up, because I saw 2-3 comments which were bothering me a lot, but then I saw so many, you know, supportive comments from you guys, so I thought let's just chuck it off and sit fresh, film this tutorial for you guys. So I hope you guys would have liked this makeup tutorial. If you happen to recreate this makeup tutorial or any of the makeup tutorial from my upcoming series, then you guys could go ahead and tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle goes with the name Pooja_Bera. So please use the hashtag makeup look with Bera, and I'll be more than happy to repost it on my stories. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. More than happy if you go to Mrunal Panchal's Instagram handle and message her that I have recreated this look so that she could notice it. I'll be more than happy. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.